Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Kavita and in today's video we will be making this fabric bunting. It's a fun project. Even beginners can make this very easily. You can use this for any decoration purpose or you can simply use it as wall decor for your kids' room. So here I have appliqued my daughter's friend name as we are going to gift this to her and I am hoping that she will like it. So let's quickly see what you will need to make this bunting. Different color fabrics, paper to make template, pencil, ruler and scissor. First we will make flag template. For that make a square of 6 inches. Then find the center on any one side and join these 2 points at the center to make a triangle. Now cut the triangle. So our flag template is ready. Now I am drawing letters to add it on bunting, and if you want your buntings to be plain then you can skip these steps. I am going to make letters which are 2 inches wide and 2.5 inches long so that they will fit in the center of triangle nicely. You can download the letters from internet also. There are tons of template available, but I am showing this for those who don't have printer at home right now and to show how they can make letters easily. Similarly, make the other letters and cut them out. Now my name is ready and I am using this kitty print fabric for applique. Also you will need fusible interfacing like this which has one side shiny. Then place this side on the wrong side of fabric and then move hot iron on it so that it will stick to the fabric. Now trace all the letters on this white side carefully by reversing the mirror letters and then cut them out. Now take 2 layers of same color fabrics and then trace this template on it, or you can cut fabric directly like this with the help of rotary cutter. Now center letters on triangles and apply some glue on back of letters so that they will not move while stitching. Now you can make machine zigzag stitch or you can hand stitch it by simple stitch or any decorative embroidery stitch. After this, stitch the 2 triangles together by placing it on another with right sides together and make a straight stitch with 1/4 inch seam on 2 sides and leave the third side open. Then snip this corner to reduce bulk and turn the triangle inside out. Poke the corner with turning tool or pencil carefully and give a finger press. Now to assemble these triangles, you will need a bias tape or you can use any wide ribbon. To make bias tape, take 2-inch wide long strips or you can join strips together to make it long enough to hold all the triangles. Now fold the strip in half and again fold each side at center and iron it or finger press. Now leave few inches tape at start and place the triangles one after another with equal distance and then pin them together. Lastly, make 1/8 inch stitch from start to end to finish this bunting. Yes, I know you are going to add some beautiful colors to your kids' room. So you can even use only two colors, just alternating them, or instead of solid colors, you can use any fun prints which your kids like. And as here I have appliqued my name, you can totally skip this step. And if you have appliqued and you want to use this bunting for some another purpose, then you can just simply flip it over and stick, and you can use this same. So if you like this easy DIY, then do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week again with another fun project. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.